Hello everyone and welcome to the project demonstration of the project made for SheHacks-Hackathon by us, that was Covi-safe. We have named our product Covi-safe, and it is basically a web application that that would be a one-stop solution for the visualization and the prediction for the users to keep them safe. So our app basically has two major parts. One of them is visualization and the other one is prediction. So the visualization would be showing the user, when user selects visualization, it would be showing that a global map which shows markers on telling how many cases have been reported. So it shows a world map with visualizing the statistics of COVID-19. And the second part is COVID prediction. It is using ML model to tell based on symptoms what is the probability of a user contracting COVID. So let's have a quick look at what these things are doing. So if I go and click on COVID visualization, another page would open and it would be asking the user to choose one of the following, that is to choose either confirmed or the deaths. So if I click on confirmed, then see the markers have appeared and I can zoom in or zoom out accordingly. And if I click on any one of the markers, then it would also show the number of confirmed cases that have been reported. The more blue the marker is, the more is the probability, the more is the stats there. So like if the marker is more blue, it means there are more cases. And similarly goes for deaths. If we click on it, then the markers would change colors accordingly, and same is for here. If the marker is more red, it means there are more cases, and if the marker is black, then it is showing that there are lesser number of cases report comparatively. So now let us go back and see what the prediction part is doing. Over to you, Umang.
Okay, so now we have a second feature, that is COVID prediction. So when the user click here, then it will show this form and it will ask the user these values, and based on these parameters it will show the probability of COVID infection. So for example, if the user fell 100 here and let's say the age is 78, and let's take this yes, and let's submit this. So as you can see, the probability of COVID infection is 51%. This information is getting displayed according to the probability. If probability comes out to be greater than 50%, then it will show something like this, like the user, what the user can do for in this case, if he has the chances of COVID. Let's go back and let's click on this once again. And here, if I put 98 and let's say the age is 23, and let's take this no, and now if I submit this, then it will show you this page. Probability of COVID infection is 50%. And it is also showing the option of vaccination. So if I click here, it will open this website. So let's go back. And so what uh, So here we are using logistic regression for predicting the probability of COVID infection. The basic idea of logistic regression is whatever the data we have, we divide that data in two parts, training data and testing data. And then we train our model using that training data. We give that training data to a machine learning algorithm, and that algorithm will give us the output of model, and that model take these values from the user, and in the end it will give us the probability. So now over to you, Shrikanta.
Yes. Now in this third block, we can see here it's saying of COVID information, and this block rolls around the information about the coronavirus, and it will move our page to the next. Please link. Yeah, WHO organization. Here it is showing all the information about coronavirus. That's it. And about the designing and creativity, it's we had used HTML and CSS cool animations, and um, and this. Wait one second. By motion of virus animations in our project, it is adding an extra degree of interactivity, which is improving the user experience, so that any newbie can use it and interact. That's it. Now, over to Ojasvi.
Thank you, Shrikanta and Umang, for demonstrating it so well. For the visualization part, we are using Mapbox.js library available in JavaScript, and the data we are using has been fetched from a source which we have mentioned in the presentation. That's all. And there are certain scope of improvements also in the website that we realize that could be made. Like if we could add location features in it, so it can also show the user customized results about the testing centers and the vaccination centers. And if we can add database, then it could also authenticate user and collect information about who needs to get vaccinated first and could help in smooth rollout of vaccines. Given the time, we would only be able to make this much of it, but we would love to work on improvement further on. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys liked it.